Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on an Android 14 phone. So firstly, you will need to launch the calendar app. Then select the date you would like to set your event on. Then hit this plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and fill all the event details such as its title, time frames, time zone, etc. So here is the full list of details you can edit and add to your event. As you can see, there are quite a few of them. Then once everything is ready, hit the save button, and here it is. Here is your event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.